How to add a music to your favorites on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add any music to your favorite on Deezer in fast and easy method. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer app, and as you can see this is the home page. Now let's just choose a song. Now let's say that you like this song here that's called Live Your Life. You need just to click on those three dots here and then choose add to favorite tracks, and it's done guys. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.